So yes, hello, good evening everyone. Welcome to Unacademy, the number one learning app in India that made learning easy for all the students. So now you can sit back at your home and you can start learning at your fingertip. Alright. So today's session is all about the ray optics, second lecture. We had mirror equation and everything in the last session. So in this session, I will go for reflection and real depth, virtual depth, and the other concepts which are coming under refraction. Those things I will explain today. So please watch the session full so that you will get all the things regarding ray optics. So it is a very important unit from NCERT board exams in for the NCERT board exams and even for cracking the competitive exams. A large mass weightage from this unit, mark weightage having, so that you need to be concentrated over this unit, so that you can get highest mark in the NCERT board exams and even in the competitive exams. Okay. So before going for the session, this is our Unacademy Plus program for the students who want to crack competitive exams, and we have the plan like 1 month plan at 2500, and it is available till 30th of January. And the beneficiaries what we give for the students is like complete syllabus will be covered, tips and tricks, not trips and tricks, tips and tricks given by the top educators from the part of Karnataka, topic wise practice questions, and even full length mock test. Okay. And we you can use my code RITESHLIVE for the 10% of instant discount over the plus subscription. See here, you can go through this site bit.ly/IGTCET. If you go on through this site, then you will get all the information regarding, and even please use this code for getting 10% of instant discount over the plus subscriptions. Okay. Then we have, as I told, we have different plans like 1 month plan, 6 month plan, 12 month plan for the students, and even we have 24 month of plan for the plus one students who want to crack competitive exams. So before giving much introduction regarding this, please subscribe the channel there, so you will get free sessions every day. And even please like the button if you are clear with the concept what I have taught yesterday and even what I am teaching today. So after the session you can like the button there. So the beneficiaries, as I told, a lot beneficiaries from subscribing for Unacademy Plus Media. So and even one more thing, you can post your comment or post your doubts in the chat box so that I will surely help you to clear your doubts regarding the concept. Okay. So I will go for the session first. So this is a recalling session, not the recalling session, a recalling time for 5 minutes. Like what are the things we have studied in yesterday's session: reflection, its laws, related definitions, related relation between R and F, that is focal length, and even the mirror equation. Okay. So what is reflection? Reflection is nothing but when a ray of light incident over the surface, it gets it returned back. Okay, that is nothing but a reflection. So if this is the normal line, law states the theta I incident angle should be equal to refracted angle. Okay, so that is the main law. Then even all the three planes like this plane and even the rays incident and reflected should be on the same plane. Okay, so that is the laws. And even the related definitions I anyhow recall, and the relation and derivation. Okay, this is the definition we had yesterday session. So, what are the definitions? What are the main terms in reflection and refraction, or in even in the ray optics? See, we have different terms like principal axis. So, what is principal axis? Principal axis is nothing but imaginary line that is passing through the center of the mirror and even the focus point. Okay, now what is center of curvature? That is nothing but center point of the mirror, spherical mirror. And what is focus point? So focus point is nothing but when a ray of light incidenting over the mirror, then it will reflect it back, and these reflected rays will meet at a single point. That point is nothing but focus point. But you need to mention like the incident rays which are incident over the spherical mirror should be parallel to the principal axis. When an incident over the spherical mirror which are parallel to the principal axis and that reflected back so that it will meet at a single point. That point is called focus point, my dears. Okay, that is the third definition. Then, what is the radius of curvature? R. That is nothing but the distance between the center of curvature and the midpoint of the or pole, midpoint of the spherical mirror. What is pole now? Okay, radius of curvature we are done. Then what is pole now? Pole is nothing but midpoint of the spherical mirror. Okay, so this is the center point of the spherical mirror. That is center of curvature. Then what is focal length? Focal length is nothing but the distance between the focus point and the pole. That is focal length. Focal length. So these are the main definitions of the reflections, my dear. Okay. J. So we go for next. Relation between focus point and the radius of curvature. So what is the relation between focus point and the radius of curvature? So for now the focus point, this is focal length. Okay. Relation between focal length, that is small letter f, and radius of curvature. See here, f and radius of curvature. When you observe the figure, you can directly say like 2f is nothing but r, or else, or else f is nothing but r by 2. Directly you can say, but you need to prove. Directly I can't say like ಇದು ಅರ್ಧ ಉಂಟು ಮಾರ್ರೆ, ಅದಾಗುದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ. So but I have to prove it. So let me prove it considering a triangle. We have two right angle triangles here. Okay, you need to write the figure first. I have given everything, the information regarding theta incident angle, theta reflected angle. This is 2 theta. Why? Because alternative angle, right? So regarding more information regarding, you have to watch my last session. So we have two right angle triangles, CPQ and FPQ, from here and from here, starting from 2 points, right? So according to that I take two equations, that is tan theta, so that I will get f in one equation and r in second equation. So before going for the derivation, so please comment or chat there in the chat box, so that if you have doubts regarding the concept what I am clearing here. Okay, so and even please subscribe for Unacademy Plus, and even like the button there. Okay, please. Then sorry, okay, this was I was doing right. Okay, like that similarly I go for FPQ, that is a 2 theta. For that I will get a equation like PQ divided by F. So now you have to relate these two. In place of theta you can directly write P Q divided by R, that is equal to PQ divided by F. See how simple it is. PQ get cancelled, the remaining is 2 by R, that is equal to 1 by F. So R is nothing but 2 by F. So R is nothing but, oh shit, sorry. Okay. So R is nothing but 2F, okay, or see here, 2F, okay, right. And again, F is equal to R by 2. Simple derivation, okay. So you can directly do it in the exam, right? Okay, super. Next, derivation for the mirror equation. This also I had in the last session. You can directly get the equation, mirror equation, nothing but object distance u, this is the center of the mirror, this is the image. Okay, so how I got image of this object? Because one ray will start from here and other way will move in the principal axis and it will hit here and it will reflect back, because theta I should be equal to theta r, the law of reflection states. So one ray reflected here, and similarly the same similar it is going to strike here in the spherical mirror, and it is reflecting in such a way that theta I should be equal to theta, that is theta theta. So the intersection of these two reflected ray is nothing but image. Okay, that is the concept, you need to keep it in your memory, my dears. So ಯಾವ ತರ ಇವಾಗ I have three triangles OQC, similarly CQI and IQ and Yeah, okay, whatever. Okay, so we have two triangles. I will consider these two triangles first. See, you know the equation, you know the concept like interior angle that is equal to exterior angles, right? Is it right? Interior angle that is equal to exterior angle. So, which is the interior angle in this triangle till here? Interior angle is alpha, which is alpha plus theta. Theta here, exterior angle is beta. Alright? Super. Dakshan, sir, I joined now only. Can I please repeat? Akshay, can you please watch the session later? Huh? Or else, Dakshan, even you can you follow my profile in the Unacademy platform, Ritesh, and there I have given everything regarding, and even I can repeat now. Should I repeat this mirror equation? Should I repeat, Dakshan? See, this is the actually recalling of last session. I have done it in the last session, so I am going in a speed manner. Yes, okay. So then I will recall the action for you. See here, the action. Let me erase that. Uh, you got the concept of this one? Hey, who told this portion is deleted? Srinivas. No, this is a very important portion. You got the concept, Dakshan, this one? Okay, you can what play the previous what ಎಂತ ಹಿಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಓಕೆ ನೋ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸೊ ಸೆಷನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನೊಂದು ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಅದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದೊಂದು ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಓಕೆ ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಸೊ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ okay so please be online darshan for you only I am recalling now see this is a mirror equation mirror is nothing but see if I have mirror here okay um, this is the object okay then in the mirror whichever the image is forming that is the image okay replica of mine that is image okay similarly see this is the spherical mirror okay you need to uh, what was the session from the start to know everything regarding what is mirror, what is spherical mirror, what is concave mirror, convex mirror, everything. Let me try to help you to solve this. Okay. See, this is the object which placed here. Okay. Reflection is nothing but the ray of light will incident and it will reflected back like this. If it is the incident ray, then it is the reflected ray. Okay. So the law of reflection says incident angle should be equal to reflected angle. Okay. So this is the normal line, then this angle should be equal to this angle. Okay. See the action. Starting from here, object array. Every object will have some arrays. Okay. This ray will flow here, then it will strike over this point that is over the spherical mirror. Okay. This angle is nothing but incident angle. Hope you understood. Similarly, when it reaches here, then it will reflect it back. Okay, so that is nothing but theta r. Okay, the loss says incident angle should be equal to reflected angle. Then I can write theta is equal to theta. So both as theta. Okay, so that is the one ray. Then similarly, my dear, see you. Similarly, the another ray starting from here, which will flow through the principal axis. This is the principal axis, okay? So here, there is no angle. Incident angle is 0, right? Because it is going in the normal line. ಓಕೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಹೌದಾ ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ 0 ಸೊ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಕೂಡ 0 ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಅದು ಅದೇ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇದರ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೇ which is passing through the principal axis is nothing but I. That intersection is called as image of the object. Okay. So object image ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ then ಇದು focal length focus point ಅದೆಲ್ಲ I have given the definition you can go through the previous sessions and all okay so ಇದರ derivation I will help you to know so how is the derivation is See, I will take consider first this see this triangle. Okay, so I will take that triangle first. So you know the concept interior angle that is equal to exterior angle. Okay, interior angle that is equal to exterior angle. So which is the interior angle? Interior angle is alpha and theta. Where is intersection happens? See here, my dear. See, this is the incident ray which is starting from object, one incident ray, and this is the incident ray which is starting from, which is going through principal axis, two incident rays, right? Then it will hit over here and in different portions of the spherical surface, and in this it will reflect back like this, okay, and over the principal axis it will pass like this. Is it right? Similarly, the another incident ray which will reflect over here, then it is reflecting back and it will meet at one point. See, these reflected rays meet at one point. That point is called image of the object. So hope you understood. So now I will take this triangle OQC, where is interior that is equal to exterior. Interior angle is alpha. Darshan, what you do is take my number. Any doubts regarding ray optics and all, you can directly contact me. 7975852242. Okay, this is my number. I have given my number. You can directly call me, no issues. Okay, so I will help you to get to the concept of ray optics and wave optics. 100%. Okay. Interior angle is alpha, then exterior angle is beta. Alpha and theta are the interior angles of this triangle. So I write alpha plus theta, that is equal to beta. Okay. Similarly, I go for second triangle, this triangle C, Q and I, where I is the image. That same concept, beta plus theta, that is equal to gamma. Okay. So in place of theta, here is the theta, right? Theta is nothing but I can write theta is equal to beta minus alpha. So I can directly write beta plus beta minus alpha, that is equal to gamma, 2 beta plus alpha minus gamma is equal to 0. So ಈ ತರ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. Okay. So what I do is now I go for what? A right angle triangle. So which is the right angle triangle here? So I need to erase. Let me erase, wait. Okay. Okay. So which is the right angle triangle? First right angle triangle. O, then this point, take this as P dash and a Q. Okay. See here. Okay. O, Q and P dash. So you can write tan theta for this. That is nothing but tan alpha. Okay. So tan alpha, that is how much? P dash Q divided by, which is the base from O to P dash, that is nothing but U, image distance. Not image distance, object distance. U I can write. Okay. So I can directly write in place of tan alpha, I can directly write alpha is equal to P dash Q divided by U, that is object distance from the midpoint of the mirror. Okay. So I got one equation for alpha. So I can substitute here. Similarly, take the second triangle beta. For that also beta you will get P dash Q divided by, this is radius of curvature, that is R. Okay. Similarly for gamma you will get P dash Q by applying tan theta. Okay. You get this distance, that is nothing but V. Okay, like this. So I got three equations here. See here. So I need to substitute now. Yes, the angle alpha, this angle is very small, so that I can directly take uh, tan alpha. In place of tan alpha, I can take alpha. The incident angle will be small always. Okay. So now you need to substitute these equations here in this. Okay, that is nothing but 2 into p dash q divided by r plus alpha is nothing but p dash q divided by u plus not plus, here it is minus, right, minus p dash q divided by v, that is equal to 0. Okay, so p dash common, so I can directly write 2 by r, there plus 1 by u minus 1 by v, that is equal to 0. Okay, so the term will be, what I do is 1 minute. So I will open the main full theory I have. Please be online. Okay. See, I will explain it here only so that you will get to know, my dear. Dakshan, please be online. Where it is? Where it is? Mirror equation. Okay, mirror equation. See you. See you. See you. For triangle CPQ, I have written exterior angle that is equal to interior angle, right? Exterior angle that is equal to interior angle. Then I have taken another triangle. So for that also I have written gamma is equal to beta plus theta, right? So in place of theta, theta I can write gamma minus beta. Okay, so I have substituted this in this equation. Then I got a new equation, that is 2 beta, that is equal to alpha plus gamma. Okay, so are you getting, Dakshan? Are you getting? Very important equation actually, this one, reflection in the reflection. So if you are getting, please tell us. Yes. Then I go for super. Then now I have considered a triangle OQP dash, right angle triangle. Okay. So this is the right angle triangle that is adjacent by base. See, this is image, this object distance. Base is not adjacent. This is opposite divided by adjacent, right? Tan theta. Okay. So P dash Q divided by U. Similarly, for another triangle, right angle triangle, from here to here to here, right? So I gone through that. Then a tan beta is equal to P dash Q divided by R, right? So another triangle I have I Q P dash. Then also I got another equation. See here, alpha, beta, and gamma. Alpha, beta, and gamma. So now what I do is I will substitute this in this equation. Okay. So when I substitute that in that equation, see, I will get 2 into P dash Q divided by R, that is equal to P dash Q divided by U plus P dash Q divided by V. So this is a very simple step, okay. So I have extracted from many textbook, then have written the equation. So you can write it down by yourself in the notes and you can use, very simple. So nothing but 2 by R is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by F. So in place of R, that is nothing but see, focal length 2f, that is equal to r. Okay, so focal length 2 times of focal length, that is radius of curvature. You have to go to my last sessions and all, or else you can just what what the session from the start. Okay, I have given what is focal length, what is radius of curvature, everything. So when I substitute 2 and 2 get cancelled, the remaining equation is 1 by f, that is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So this is nothing but a mirror equation. So hope you understood, Dakshin. So if you are understood means I am satisfied, because only for you I have recalled everything. Okay. So you can start seeing from the first so that you will get to know. Hmm? Okay. Easy actually. ray optics. So I have given my number there. You can save the number and you can directly call me. Pakka, damn sure, 100%. ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರು ray optics, way optics ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫ್ರೀ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರೀ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅವಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಅದು ಮಿರರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟು. Next, sign convention for the spherical mirrors. That is, I have told principal axis in the ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ positive, principal axis in the ಕೆಳಗಡೆ that is negative. Then in the direction towards the right, that is positive. In the direction of incident ray, that is positive, and towards the left, that is negative. Okay, so that is the sign convention. Okay, so then the magnification. So we have to start from here because everything we were discussed in the last session, the same thing I recalled. Okay, see here, magnification. What is magnification? Magnification is nothing but it will give exact idea of expansion of object size. And that is nothing but ಇವಾಗ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಮಿರರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ ಸಮ್ ಮಿರರ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕಾಣ್ತೀರಾ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಮಿರರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದರ ಐಡಿಯಾವನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೈಜ್. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಮಿರರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಮಿರರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಸಿ ಮಿನಿಮೈಸ್ಡ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ಬೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. Darshan, today I thought it is first class, not the first class. Darshan, actually I had a session yesterday, so I can send you the link of yesterday's session. So please note my number and call to me after the session ends. Okay, after 8. Pakka, I will help you. Don't worry. Magnification is nothing but, okay, it will give the exact idea of expansion of object size. Okay, then the definition of the magnification. Okay, I have anyhow. You didn't got my number, Darshan? 79, or else you drop your number, I can call you later. You drop your number. Okay, then magnification derivation. Magnification derivation is nothing but same as a relationship. ಯಾವುದು height of the image and the image height, height of the image and object height. Okay, see you the relation between these two. Okay, sure. Then go to my profile in the free session. RITESHLIVE. Okay. Okay. So for getting the relation of image height and the object height, I have to consider the triangle. Okay. So before going for the derivation, I need to explain the figure. See here, this is the object which is placed beyond the center of the sphere. Then this is the object height, actual height. Okay, so then what will happen is, see, I can't send a PDF Abhinav through here. It is very difficult to send the PDF. So what you do is, you can send your number in the chat box so that I can send you through WhatsApp, through personal. Hi, Ashika. Good evening. Ullara. Okay, so that I can send you the PDF of that. Okay, so full PDF I have, even from the ray optics and even from the wave optics with the numericals, everything. Okay, simple steps, those things. Okay. Okay, so ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು ವಿಷಯ? Okay, done. Abhinav, you also do the same thing. You go to the application and search the profile name, educator profile name, and drop me the message there, or else you can drop your number here also, so I can directly contact you, no issues. So whatever the comfort thing that suits for you, you can do that. Okay, for sending the PDF. So okay, image height and object height ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಾರಿ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. First I will take ABP. Okay, so first ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೋಗೋ ಮುಂಚೆ Yes, Dakshan. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಪಿ ಸೊ ಇದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎರಡು ರೇಸ್ ಹೋಗುವಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೇ and this is the second ray. Okay, so so at least minimum two rays should follow so that to get the image of the object. Okay, so ಇವಾಗ ಇದೊಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಎರಡು ರೇಸ್ need to be follow, so that should be reflected back in such that the meeting point will be the image of the object. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ so the first ray will follow, that is parallel to this principal axis. Okay, and the second ray will follow and it will hit over the pole of the spherical mirror. Okay, so this is the normal line, principal axis will be acting as normal line. This theta should be equal to here reflected angle, that is nothing but the law of reflection. And that two rays will come and meet at single point. That point is nothing but image. So when I draw a perpendicular line till the principal axis, then I get image of the image height. Okay, height of the image. So this is how the figure for finding relationship between image height and the object height. So this is the center of curvature, this is the focal point. Focal point is nothing but the reflected ray which passes through the principal axis. That point is nothing but focal point. Okay, so the distance between the object and the middle point of the middle point of the spherical mirror is nothing but what, object distance, and the distance between the image and the mirror, that is nothing but image distance. See, object distance always denoted by u and image distance always divided by v. That is, you need to keep it in your memory. Object distance is denoted by u and image distance is denoted by v. Okay, so this is how the figure for finding the relationship between image and the object. Okay, so hope you will join tomorrow also, my dear students, so that I will clear the derivation in tomorrow session, because the time already we crossed 30 minutes, right? So I hope you will join tomorrow at the same time, 7:30. I will continue the derivation, and even the one thing is like, so I have all the solution in the PDF notes itself. Only thing is I am explaining the steps so that you can download it later. Sorry, you cannot download, right, in the YouTube application, or else you can note it down so that this step will be much easier than the NCERT textbook and even your college notes, I guess. Yes, Darshan. In YouTube platform, it is only for 30 minutes, or else in the Unacademy platform, it is 1 hour. Okay. So before ending up the session, use my code RITESHLIVE for getting subscription for Unacademy Plus. If you use RITESHLIVE for getting into the Unacademy application also, uh, that is also good. If you use my code, please recommend your friends to join Unacademy. So please tell them to use this code to get into the Unacademy application, RITESHLIVE. So, and also get a 10% of instant discount over the plus subscription, and you can go to this link to get more information regarding the plus program. Okay, so thank you for joining. Hope overall attend today's session, they understood the topic and the concept. Hope you will join tomorrow also, right? Yes, can I get your number now, Dakshan? Okay, take my number 7975822242. Okay. Okay. So I will check in an academy application. Okay, Abhinav. Then Dakshan, you can also do the same thing. You can go to an academic platform and you can text me there through the profile. Okay. So thank you for joining everyone. Have a great time. Good night. I love you all. Bye bye. I will wind up the session.